and the topic what I am going to deal now is capital budgeting 1. So in capital budgeting, I think you all must be aware of what is the capital budgeting. Yes, because previously we have already dealt with time value of money. What do you mean by time value of money? Where present value, future value of money is taken into consideration. When you come, this is an investment decision in capital budgeting, what we are going to focus with. So capital budgeting is a financing in FM. What are the different types of decisions you have? Financing decision, investment decision, and dividend decision. So now our capital budgeting is mostly focusing on investment decision. That is the amount what is available with us, with the company, and how is he going to invest it for your future purpose. Okay, so there are different proposals available to the company, and in this, which proposal is the best option available to them and how they are going to invest it, right? So here, if a proposal, for example, there are 3 different proposals, proposal 1, 2 and 3. Now higher the risk, higher the returns. So the investment proposal where you are going to invest, you have to focus on the proposal where the risk involved is less, but is it possible in long-term investment? Because capital budgeting we are mostly focusing on long-term investment. Is it possible for us to go for long-term investment without risk? It's highly not possible. So we have to be ready to face the risk when your investment is in the long-term projects. So here, for example, first thing you analyze and see that you have to see the returns. In the first project you are getting 8% return, second person 10 and 14%. So which proposal you will not? It is obvious that 14%, wherever the returns are more, you will go for that proposal and reject this. When you are accepting one proposal, it is implied that you are rejecting the other proposals. Then the next one, let us see what are the methods of capital budgeting. What are the various types of methods we have in capital budgeting? The first one is, there are 2 types of capital budgeting. One is traditional and the other one is modern. Under traditional you have, the first one is payback period, second one average or accounting rate of return. And under modern techniques we have NPV, that is the net present value. The second one is IRR, internal rate of return, and the third one profitability index. So now we are going to deal with the payback period. As I told you all earlier, in payback period, what do you have? What is that you are going to see there? In payback period, we are going to see the amount invested. Supposing you are investing 1 lakh rupee, within how many years you are going to get back this 1 lakh? Now as told earlier, traditional approach or traditional method, in both the methods what we have payback as well as accounting rate of return, we are mostly concerned with, yes, the amount we are going to get back, but we are not concerned with the time value of money. Okay, time value of money is no way concerned here. Whereas in the modern techniques, in all the 3 methods, we are going with time value of money. Okay. So now we will start doing the problem what I have given you. So as I told you all, initial investment is 10 lakhs and 2 lakhs is the annual cash inflows. Now in annual cash flows, first year it is 2 lakhs, second year again 2 lakhs, third year 2 lakhs, 8 years is told to you all, right? Now observe carefully. First year, the annual cash inflows are equal. I told you all already, cash inflows, if they are equal, we follow one method, and if they are unequal, we follow a different method. So if the cash inflows are equal, now see here, within how many years you are getting back? 5 years. 2 lakhs plus 2 lakhs, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Exactly we are taking 5 years to get back whatever amount we have invested. Now, instead of looking in this way, we can also apply a formula. So, what is the formula for payback period? Initial investment or cash outlay divided by annual cash inflow. So, initial investment, how much do you have? Divided by 2 lakhs, 5 years. Okay? So, within 5 years, you are getting back your amount. Now, what happens if you are not given the annual cash inflows? As I told you all, net profit is not the one which you are taking into consideration when you are calculating payback period. What is that you require? Annual cash inflows. Okay, in case net profit is given in the question, you have to convert the profit into annual cash inflows. What is annual cash inflows? Profit after tax before depreciation. So, profit after tax in the sense, supposing in the question he has given you profit before tax. Profit before tax is given to you and after depreciation. That is net profit, right? Profit after tax, after depreciation, you are getting net profit. So, immediately you have to convert it into inflows, cash inflows. How will you do that? So, you have net profit here. What is the net profit? Supposing net profit is something given here. When tax is given, deduct the tax at the rate of whatever the percentage is. Okay, so you will get profit after tax. Now, after profit after tax, we have to add back the depreciation because already depreciation has been deducted and given you the profit. So, we are going to add back the depreciation. So, how much is the depreciation? Depreciation will be calculated on the value of the asset, not on inflows. On the value of asset, whatever is given, whatever the percentage is there, you have to calculate depreciation. So, whatever you get is the profit before tax, profit after tax, and before depreciation. So, this is the cash inflows what we are going to consider. Now, take down one problem. A project costing rupees 5 lakhs. A project costing rupees 5 lakhs and a net profit of 50,000. Depreciation rate is 10%. Depreciation rate is 10%. And depreciation rate is 10%. And the tax rate is 50%. Tax rate is 50%. Calculate payback period. Tax rate is 50%. So, calculate payback period. So, now what is given in the question? 5 lakhs is the initial investment. 50,000 is the profit. Net profit is given. So, first convert the net profit into annual cash inflows. You are also given the depreciation value as well as? Yes. Come on, do it now and tell me the answer. Find out the net profit. What is the net profit? 50,000. Taxes 50% is 25 per thousand. So profit after tax is 25,000. Depreciation is 10%. Depreciation will be calculated on asset. 5 lakhs into 10%, 50. So now you are getting this as 75,000. So your cash inflows are 75,000. Now apply the formula, initial investment divided by cash inflows. So initial investment is 5 lakhs divided by 75,000, 6.6 years. So it is taking 6 years, 6 months for us to get back the amount. Is it clear to everyone? 6 years, 6 months. Now yesterday we have done one more problem where annual cash inflows are different in every year, annual cash inflows itself. If they are different, what to do? Now here cash inflows are one and the same, 50,000 every year. So for us it is easy to apply the formula and calculate. What will happen if at all the annual cash inflows differ? So now let's do one problem. Take down. Did you all complete this? Profit after tax 25,000. 50. Depreciation on asset value 5 lakhs. Depreciation on 5 lakhs, not on inflows or profits. Okay. Next one. Shall I? A project cost. Write down. A project cost 50,000. A project costs 50,000 with an annual cash inflow of 10,000. First year 10,000, second year 10,000, third year 15,000, 15,000, fourth year, third year 15,000, fourth year 20,000, fourth year it is 20,000, fifth year 5,000, fifth year 5,000. Determine payback periods. Determine payback period. Now annual cash inflows are changing year by year. Cash inflows are changing year by year. So now you have to determine how many years it is taking for us to get back 50,000. Come on now, do the problem fast. Give me the duster. So 50,000 is the cash outlay or initial investment. So what are the, this is cash outlay. Now what are the different investments you have here? First year 10,000. Fourth year me now, within how many years you can get back? Yeah? Till third year you get 35,000. Yes. Fourth year? So it's going to 5,000 excess. But we want only 50,000. So what is the procedure to do? So your payback period is lying in between third and fourth year. In between third and fourth year. But exactly the number of months you have to calculate. How do we calculate? What is the difference here? 5,000. So you have to recover still 5,000. You are supposed to recover, how much you have to recover? 5,000. And what is the difference here? 50,000 minus 5,000 is? 45,000. So you are supposed to recover how much? 45,000 is done. Still to be recovered 5,000. So how will you calculate now? We did one problem yesterday. See that and tell me. How do you get it? Exact number of months. Come on. Payback period lies in between third and fourth year. Okay. In the fourth year, the cash inflow is no. That is even. Okay. Now here, what is the cash inflow? 0.25. So how you got that? 5,000 is the difference what you are supposed to get, and next year what is the value? It's 20,000. So 5,000 divided by 20,000, how much you are getting? 0.25. So how many months? 3 months. So it is taking 3 years, 3 months for us to recover this 50,000. So payback period is what? 3 years, 3 months. Understood? First, you have 50,000 minus 45,000. Up to third year, you are able to recover 45,000, isn't it? You are able to recover 45,000. Sorry, 35,000. Huh? So here balance should be recovered here. Okay. So how much is still to be recovered? 5,000. So 5,000 divided by the next year, what is the value? 20,000. Divide by 0.25, which is 3 years. So right here, payback period is equal to 3 years, 3 months.